What's up, guys? Today I'm here with King9, my best friend.
I'm here with Luke.
Yep. And anyways, guys, today we're just gonna be playing the game. You know, going through a little bit of Clammy Cemetery. Anyways, let's get into the video. All right, guys. What's up, King?
Using joysticks.
Oh, only joysticks? All right. We're gonna go only using joysticks. Alright guys, you can only use joysticks. Let's go. Come on. We should probably grab these. No hands needed. What we gotta do is use our joysticks. Right, King? Go that way. Boom. Rat! Alright. Let's go to the graveyards. Oh no! Guys, the rule for this challenge is we can only use our joysticks. Alright, let's go.
Do the glitch.
Yeah, guys, that's a glitch, but don't tell Jay, man, or else we're gonna get in trouble. Alright, let's go. Oh, also, guys, this game's better than the rules. Alright, let's go. What's up, King? Oh. Alright, we're gonna go, guys. King here. Oh, there you are, King. There you are. Alright, let's do this only using joysticks.
I forgot which way to go.
I have a DoorDash McDonald's on my bed, so that's why I need to stand up for this video. Well, that's why I have DoorDash on my bed, I'm sleeping. Guys, if you wonder why I have DoorDash on my bed, because I am lazy. Guys, don't call me disgusting for leaving a DoorDash McDonald's on my bed, okay? It's normal, it's DoorDash. Guys, you leave DoorDash McDonald's on your bed. From what? Let's go, King. Let's go. Oh, I know how to do this one. Use a glitch. Come on, time to die, boys. Guys, this is how you play WizHerd. Guys, that's all we have to do. It's just this. King, come on. Ah! Coming after us. Come on. Come on after the WizHerd. Hi, buddy. Alright, guys, my cat's in here. I spoiled my cats too much, you know. They feel love every 2 seconds. Come on, we gotta beat this game. Also, guys, you call cheaters for using glitch. It's allowed, okay? Alright. I think we should probably go. Yeah, defeat this boss, guys. Right, King? We're gonna beat this boss only using our joysticks. I don't need to heal because I'm like guys, what's up? We got this. Come on, guys. A little more. A little more dead, guys. And we did it. Come on, King. Oh, crap. Try to get this too. Did you like stop recording? What happened? King?
Oh, yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. You're good. So guys, we're having some technical difficulties. Alright, are you ready to continue with this match?
Is it called rounding?
Alright, let's go this way.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna beat this only using joysticks. Alright, let's go. Guys, never go this way. You're gonna always want to go this way. Okay. Come on, die, zombies! Joysticks! Joysticks enabled! How you feeling about this only joysticks challenge? King, how you doing about the only joysticks rule? It's kind of harder than the monkey physics. Hey, I got an idea. Guys, you're allowed monkey physics first. King? Oh, you're coming. Come on, guys. Time to die. Guys, that wasn't. Did use monkey physics there. No more. King, you going? Let's go.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, King. It's okay.
I'm going in the car.
Alright. Wait, are we good? Yeah, I can hear you. Alright, let's go.
This is really...
Yeah, we're so close to the boss. We just gotta kill a couple enemies. Guys, people ask what do we do in our free time? We play WizHerd. Oh god, I died. I'm coming back. Okay, I'm coming. Only joysticks hasn't been taking an effect on me at all. Also guys, King has been trying to get back into YouTube, so say what's up to King. Oh wait, we can go to the boss. Let's go. Level 11, let's go. Let's go, we're so close to the boss. Come on, guys. Come on, boys. I want to get rid of you guys real quick. Guys, I promise. I'll deal with you guys back in the lobby. King, come on over. You can kill them right here. Woo! You got this. Come on, King. We got it. We're gonna win this only using our joysticks. Yeah, I'm just gonna kill a couple of guys. Yeah, I think, a couple of my things are ready for another level, but I'm not gonna upgrade them just yet. Yeah, I got killed, bro. The Spider-Man glitch. Oh, guys, we gotta kill all these guys. Come on, King, we got this.
Okay, we got this.
Yeah. We got this in the bag. Alright, let's lock in. Guys. Cause he's a dad. Alright, only using joysticks, let's go. Yeah, these jumps are a lot better than monkey physics, but monkey go faster. But we're using joysticks only, because that's a challenge. WizHerd! Okay. Well, I got like 10 minutes, guys. We can beat this guy in 10 minutes. I gotta beat this in 10 minutes, guys. Let's go. Oh, it's okay, guys. We're gonna win this only using joysticks. No monkey physics allowed. King, where'd you go? Alright, we got this. We're actually gonna win. We're actually gonna win. I did not use monkey physics there. Oh crap. You cannot kill me, daddy. So guys, why is this boss a dad? Yeah, he's too big, he can't fit. Like my grandpa. We got this. We got this, King. We got this, we're gonna win. Get him where it really hurts. Oh. Guys, whenever you defeat bosses, you gotta know to get them where it really hurts. King, do you know where it really hurts? Yeah, you gotta get them where it really hurts. I gotta quickly upgrade my stuff. So, there you go. Alright, my stuff is upgraded. Let's go! Daddy fever? Daddy what? I ain't nothing. Oh yeah, he's dead. He's dead. We got this. Yes, we beat it. We beat it only using joysticks. Alright, let's go defeat the... Let's go get that box for only using joysticks.
Oh, the box is...
Let's get it. We completed it. We just completed that level 1 only using joysticks. Anyways, guys, that wraps up this video. We'll see y'all